Come on, Ben. So going short walk. Yep, you have to go. He just started to take off. Short way. Okay. Good. What the? Well, apparently we're gonna cut across this way. Great. He wants to go like this.
What, bud?
What the heck? Why are we going this way? Oh. I guess that. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. I can, whoa, whistle really loud. There's a car.
Yep.
Lots of birds.
Oh, actually, I hear spring peepers. These are frogs.
Did you hear how that echoed?
Yep.
Can you whistle?
Wow.
Whistle loud.
You know, I've almost completely lost the ability to whistle the way you do.
I thought you could go like really, really loud.
Well, I can whistle really loud. It's kind of disruptive, though.
I tried to do it. Matt can do it super loud.
Let's hear it.
No,
Oh,
Matt.
yeah. And you can whistle pretty loud.
He goes times like 25. And it's loud. When he whistles, it is loud. You know what's an awesome experiment to do?
What?
Pouring vinegar into baking soda. That's an awesome experiment.
What happens?
You know what happens.
Actually, I don't.
It explodes. It causes a chemical reaction and it goes.
It fizz up real big.
Yeah, fizzes up. And then guess what? Sometimes it gets so big. Guess what? The box rips with the baking soda's in.
I know that if you take like a liter of pop and drop Mentos into it.
It'll blow. Have you done Diet Coke and Mentos?
You take them off this thing.
And I'm trying to, but he just started to walk out. There we go.
Have I tried what?
Tried putting Diet Coke in Mentos. Or have you ever tried putting a Zot in Coke? Have you ever tried?
The Mentos thing.
Have you done a Zot in Coke? Can you imagine what that would do?
Zot and Coke. I don't know.
If you put it in?
Nothing.
No, like, you know how a Zot can get to that point where it's like super thin and you just have to bite into the center?
Yeah.
Like right before that, dropped it into a bottle of Coke.
Where's Ben went halfway across the park.
To go to the bathroom.
Yeah.
What are you eating?
Me?
Yeah.
Nothing.
I said you were eating while we were doing it.
Oh, I had pizza. A couple slices of pizza.
You wear it like a glove.
Let's say you pick it up.
A glove.
Pizza, yeah, pizza on the head.
Did you poop yet?
He's pooping. Still pooping.
Oh, I lost a shoe. Lost both shoes. Where'd they go? Where did they go?
They went down the road
That makes yours. Where did they go?
behind you.
Here's one. Where'd the other one go? This one was right
All the way
here.
behind you. Okay, I think he's done. Oh, nope, nope, nope. He's not
Where did it go?
It's towards me now. Oh, just to your left.
There it is. I mean, that one went back kind of far. Don't know how I lost it.
Still pooping.
What's that loud popping?
My foam shoe.
Your what?
Foam shoe. Y'all done, Ben? Easy.
Jeez, that's gonna be a lot of poop. Jeez, I'm gonna run in this direction. Ow! Oh, I almost just tripped. Frick. Dude, you know what? I got super mad at the printer today at school. At the end, I was so mad I yelled, "Frick you, printer!" I was like, "Frick you!" Can't remember if I said "frick you" or what I did say. I know I was mad at it. Oh my god. Yeah, I think I was like, "Frick you," or yeah. Good. Because I think it was something like "frick you" or "screw you" or something. I got mad at it. I know I got mad at the printer. I'm like, "Frick you!"
Yeah, you shouldn't yell that.
No, I was like, "Frick you." I got mad at it. I'm like, "Frick you." I was like, I said it quietly, like, "Frick you."
Come on back.
Yeah. Should we run him home? Oh god. Yep. He's definitely in the mood.
Run, yep. I'll grab his lead.
Yeah, you just grab it. Okay.
You run after him?
Yeah. Let's try and beat him home.
Go!
Oh crap.
Dogs are fast.
When they want to be.
Yeah.
Let's wait for him to be distracted and then quickly zoom past him.
Okay.
Is he distracted yet?
Not yet. He's still up ahead of us a little bit. He's waiting for us now. He's going to take off as soon as we get close.
Now run!
He's just going to... Oh, there it
Oh
goes.
crap. I said run, so when we get right next to him, just all of a sudden stop, then start running.
Okay. Oh, he's way up. He's at the end of the block. He's
Dude.
waiting for us.
He's not.
No. He's stopped now.
Like, where'd they go?
Oh, dang it. He's getting up again.
Oh, dude. He's gonna be
You ready?
distracted.
And...
Go!
Oh,
Oh, shoot!
he took off. He's waiting for us.
No! Oh, crap.
Hurry, Ty. Crap.
Shoot! Shoot!
It's gonna be close.
Did you know it?
Close. Oh, he beat us. Dang it.
Well, he beat us outside.
Yeah.
Not yet. We have to be to the front door.
Okay, go, go.
I win!
Ty won.
We win.
I came in second. I came in third.